In this quick video, I'll show you how to swap EVMOS to USDC step by step. So the first step is to go to app.osmosis.zone, and on the right side here, click connect wallet. And as you can see, we have two wallets here. We have Kepler wallet and Wallet Connect. But for this video, we're going to choose Kepler wallet. Then once you have connected your Kepler wallet, go to assets here and make sure that, and you can see here the word EVMOS on the right side here. Just click deposit, but make sure that you have EVMOS token in your Kepler wallet and click get address here. And now you can type the amount of EVMOS you want to transfer. For example, we're going to transfer 1.1 EVMOS. Then click transfer coins to Osmosis. Then you can choose low, average, and high gas fee, but we're going to choose low gas fee. Click approve. Then let us wait for the transaction to be completed. And as you can see, the transaction was successful. So let's go back to Osmosis. Click refresh. And now you can see here the total amount of EVMOS I have in Osmosis. Now, once you have deposited your EVMOS token, go to swap here and click here, click EVMOS, and then below the EVMOS, click here and click USDC. Now you can type the amount of EVMOS you want to swap. For example, I want to swap the maximum amount, and then you can see here the equivalent amount of USDC. Then click swap. Then you can choose again low, average, or high gas fee, but we're going to choose low gas fee. Then let us wait for the transaction to be completed. And now as you can see, the transaction was successful. So let's go to assets here. And now you can see here the total amount of USDC. Then if you want to withdraw your USDC, you can go to satellite.money, and then on this part just click Osmosis here, and on this part you can choose any of these chains, but for this video we are going to choose EVMOS. And then you can now type the amount of Axelar USDC you want to transfer, but make sure that it is above 1 Axelar USDC, because you're going to pay 1 Axelar USDC here for the relayer gas fees. So now let's click maximum here, and then you can just click autofill here, then click generate deposit address. Click send from Kepler, and you can choose again low, average, or high gas fee, but we're going to choose low gas fee. And now go to your Kepler wallet, scroll down, and below here you can see the word tokens, and we have received 0.71 Axelar USDC, and we're done. If you have any questions about how to swap EVMOS to USDC, leave a comment below.